Hello children, today I Nutan Joshi from Carbon Residential and Day School will explain you addition with carry forward for class 3rd. In the previous video, I have explained you addition without carry forward, and in this video I will explain you addition with carry forward. So let's start. I will explain you addition with the help of this example. Now you can see that these numbers are written in horizontal form. These numbers are written in horizontal form. So before writing in column method, before writing in column form, vertical column form, you have to check its place value. Place value for these numbers. So you have to check its place value. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. After checking the place value, you have to put these numbers in vertical column. You will, after checking its place value, you will put these numbers in vertical column, and then you will start addition. Whenever you will start addition, you will start from ones place. You will start addition from ones place, or you can say that you will start addition from right hand side, or you can say that ones place. So start addition. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 means the unit digit is here 0, and the tens digit means 1 will be carry forward. 1 is carry forward, that I have written here. This is carry forward. Then you will add these numbers with carry forward. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 2 is here and 1 is carry forward. Then again you will use the same method. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 means 0 is here and 1 is again carry forward. Again same method. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 is single digit number. 6 is single digit number. There is no tens digit. So you can say that there is no carry forward. So you will add these numbers. 2 plus 5, 7, and 4 plus 1 is 5. This is the method how to add bigger numbers. Now again I will explain you addition, but in this slide I have not written any carry forward. That carry forward you will keep in your mind, and then we will add it. Now let's start. 5 plus 8, 13. 13 you can see that 3 I have written here, and 1 is where we will keep. We will keep 1 in our mind. 1 carry forward we will keep it in mind. So you can add 6 and 1 carry forward that we kept in our mind. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 means 0 is here, and again carry forward. Where you kept carry forward? In our mind. So 1 plus 7, 8 plus 4, 8 plus 4, 12. 2 is here. 1 carry forward. Keep it in mind. So 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6 is 11. 1 is here and again carry forward, keep it in mind. So 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 8, 12. 2. 1 carry forward is in mind. So 1 plus 2 is 3. This is the other method, that if you don't want to write carry forward, that carry forward you keep in your mind and then you will add it. After that, one more example. You can see that these numbers are written in horizontal, vertical form. These numbers are written in vertical form. So, before arranging these numbers in vertical form, you have to write its place value: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Now, from where you will start addition? From which place? Ones place. You will start addition from ones place. So, start from here. 6 plus 4, 10. Means 0 is here and 1 is carry forward. We have written here 1 carry forward. So 1 plus 4, 5 plus 8, 13. 3 is here and 1 is carry forward. Then 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 is single digit. 9 is single digit number. So you can say that there is no carry forward. There is no carry forward. So now add these numbers. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 means 0 is here and 1 is carry forward. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. 3 plus 4, 7. Again you can see that I have explained you this type of addition in the previous slide. If you don't want to write carry forward, so that carry forward you will keep in your mind and then you add it. Now add it. 3 plus 1, 4. This is simple. No carry forward. 6 plus 3, 9. Single digit. No carry forward. 8 plus 8, 16. And 1 carry forward you keep in your where? Mind. So 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. 8 is here. And 1 carry forward in our mind. So 2 plus 1, 3, plus 5, 8. After that you can see that again one more example. It is these numbers are written in which form? Horizontal form. First of all you will check its place value: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. After that you will arrange these numbers in vertical column. Arrange these numbers in vertical column and then you will add it. Now you can see that this is the homework. This exercise 2.2 is related with your book. If you have your maths book with you, then this exercise 2.2 you will do in your book. Suppose if you haven't your maths book, then these questions you will do in your notebook. Now student, in this video I have explained you addition with carry forward. In next video I will explain you subtraction. subtraction without borrow. Subtraction, or you can see that simple subtraction. I will explain you simple subtraction. Till that time, stay home, stay safe.